thank you for teaching me how to love, showing me what the word means, what I've been dreaming of. And now I know there is nothing that I could not do, thanks to you for teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what's real from what is not. What I've got is more than I'd ever hoped for, and a lot of what I've hoped for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no far from grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through, thanks to you. Showing me how to give and how to take. No mistake, we were put here together. And if I break down, forgive me, but it's true that I am aching with the love I feel inside, thanks to you.
Ilang ulit mo na itinatanong sa'kin kung hanggang saan, hanggang kailan magtatagal ang aking pagmamahal, hanggang may himig pa akong naririnig dito sa ating daigdig, hanggang may musika akong tinataglay, kita'y iniibig. Giliw, huwag mo sanang isipin ikaw ay aking lilisanin, di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling. At nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal. Hanggang ang diwa ko tanging sa'yo lang mamahalin kailanman. Hanggang pag-ibig ko'y hanggang walang hanggan, tanging ikaw lamang. Hanggang may himig pa akong naririnig dito sa ating daigdig, hanggang may musika akong tinataglay, kita'y iniibig. Iniwag mo sanang isipin, ikaw ay aking lilisanin. Di ko magagawang lumayo sa iyong piling, at nais kong malaman mo kung gaano kita kamahal.
Ang taong minto.
Diba? Yeah, happy birthday.
Happy birthday tayo, pasensya ka na.
Anong kailangan?
Yay! Kailangan! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Yay!
Ay, sino magsiswimming ka ulit?
Over.
Pip.
Yay!
Kiss.
Ventilador.
Happy birthday, January! Wow! Happy birthday!
Dali, kiss na kayo.
Cheese! May nakita! Happy picture tayo kasama lahat.
Sinang.
Kiss lang, Tin! Kiss mo si Tin!
Ay, sabi ko na, diba?
May evidensya ko. May picture, hindi na-record.
Ay, siya, nagkakalap.
Uy!
Kita mo kami tayo.